Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best margarita mixes available, the Tres Agaves Organic Margarita Mix. If you're a fan of delicious cocktails without the hassle of mixing from scratch, stay tuned because this might be your next favorite. The Tres Agaves Organic Margarita Mix is renowned for its high-quality ingredients and authentic taste. It comes in a convenient 1-liter pack, perfect for making multiple margaritas or stocking up for gatherings. It's USDA certified organic, ensuring that you're getting a product free from synthetic additives and pesticides. The mix captures the true essence of a margarita, blending organic agave nectar with real lime juice. Whether you prefer your margaritas frozen or on the rocks, this mix delivers a consistent, balanced flavor profile every time. To wrap it up, if you're looking to elevate your cocktail game with a premium margarita mix, Tres Agaves Organic Margarita Mix is a solid choice. Despite some availability challenges, its organic certification and rave reviews make it a favorite among margarita enthusiasts. If you've tried this product before, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Until next time on Product Critique, cheers!